Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today, as listed in the description, I'm going to be going through two ways in which you can append, two ways in which you can include a string into an already existing list. I'm going to be using two methods, an append method and a concatenation method. Concatenation means we're going to add two lists together and come out with one list combining both of those lists. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to be showing you how to do this in Python idle 3, but you can use this method in any type of Python specific program that you use. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up now. So we got our shell nice and ready, and it's good to keep that shell out so you can see immediate results. Command plus N, give me my new page. I'm gonna dual screen this here, open that there. So I'm gonna type out the question for you guys, so just follow along here. So I'm just gonna call it question, and the question is gonna ask us, show how to add the string grapes to the end of the following list using both concatenation and the append method. Alright, so I'm gonna make this a little wider for us. So I'm gonna go ahead and make that a little wider so we can see the whole question. Alright, so the following list that it's referring to is fruits, and that's equal to apples, pears, and kiwi. So we got our list right here, and we want to add grapes to it. So first, I'm going to start off with our append method. So I'm going to name this append method here, and what we're going to do is initialize our list object because it wasn't initialized in the beginning, so it's commented out there. So let's initialize that, and kiwi. Alright, now what we want to do, so I'm going to run this so it's in the system. Oh, I gotta save it. Let's save it to here, wherever this place is. My file path. Let's do string practice. Sure, save it there. Alright, so it ran. So if we type out fruit here in the console, or the shell, whatever you want to call it, we got apples, pears, kiwi, exactly our list that we initialized here. So with your lists, we have an attribute called append. So if you just simply type your list in and you put the period here, you're gonna see a list of different attributes that you can use for this list object. And what we want to use is append. So we're gonna go ahead. Let's do that again. Go ahead and click on that append, and what we want to do is put in our parentheses here, and inside the parentheses put in our value that we want to put in our list. So fruit dot append, what do we want to put? We want to put in grapes. So we got fruit dot append grapes, and let's go ahead and print fruit here. So let's see if our list was updated. I'm gonna run this. Our list was updated. Now we can see that we have apples, pears, kiwi, and grapes here. Alright, now let's use a concatenation method. Concatenate method. Alright, so what we want to do here is we want to then add two list objects together so that we get one list object with the elements of both separate lists. So we already have our fruit list, and let's go ahead and rewrite our fruits list so that we overwrite it from the beginning. So pears and then kiwi. Now let's make a grapes list of only grapes. So we make another list where we have grapes here. And then what we want to do is we want to add fruit and grapes together since they are of the same object. And let's print out this equation there. So reading from top to bottom, we should get a printout of this fruit list, which should contain grapes, and we should get another printout of this fruit list, which should contain grapes. So let's go ahead and print out these lists. They should be the same. Let's run this. Yep, and we got two of the same lists over here. So we got apples, pears, kiwi, grapes, apples, pears, kiwi, and grapes here. So these are two methods that you can use to include a string into an already existing list. If there's any more kind of examples you want me to go through, just leave a comment in the comment section. And thanks for watching.